look good every day, and for that we must put some efforts every day to be fit and to look fabulous forever. And I believe each new day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. So take it and make the most of it. Most of the people, stress has become a vital part in everybody's life in no time. The changing lifestyle with the growing time has infused the stress in the life of every individual. The work schedule has changed in a hectic one with an increase in traffic and change in sleep patterns also. These factors manifest itself into body aches and pains. And when I had such pains, often after intense workout, I wanted to get some rest, and for relaxing my stressed muscles, I am using Agaro Relaxo electric handheld full body massager. Its precision technology helps in relaxation and pain relief via deep tissue stimulation. It has 8 detachable massage heads for a holistic body massage. It also has 5 vibration modes and 6 speed settings, eye finger touch button operation also. This massager also has a mesh cloth cover to avoid tangling of body hair during your massages. Well, using a handheld massager can have multiple benefits. It can relieve the pain in your muscles, and it can also help with your lower back problems. However, did you know that using a handheld percussion massager can make your skin look better? Handheld massagers activate your muscles and stimulate the local blood circulation. This can treat your sore muscles, and it can also help with your painful joints. And yes, thanks to their relaxing effect, handheld massagers can make you sleep better, and your stress levels are significantly lowered after a 10 to 20 minutes massage session. So you will sleep more comfortably. Use the Relaxo handheld massager and give your body the love it deserves.